Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest methods and systems to boost productivity and efficiency. Today, we're diving into the trending 5 a.m. morning routine that's generating buzz among knowledge workers and students alike. But is it just a fad or a science-backed game changer? The concept of waking up at 5 a.m. has been around for decades, but recent research suggests that this early morning routine can have a profound impact on our mental and physical well-being. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that waking up at 5:30 a.m. can increase productivity by up to 55% and reduce stress levels by 35%. The key is to create a consistent routine that sets you up for success. So what does a 5 a.m. morning routine look like? It's not just about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about creating a deliberate sequence of activities that prepare you for the day ahead. Here's a breakdown of the routine. Phase 1. Wake up and morning stretch